Okay, so this is going to be equation number 1, and whoops, we just need to do that a bit quicker, and that's equation number 2. So we looked at the coefficients, and we noticed that if we times 3, whoa, that doesn't work. 3 times equation 1. So 3 times equation 1 was 12x plus 3y equals 33, because we took this equation and we times it by 3. That we called it equation 1, right? Maybe not. And then we are going to have 3 times equation 1 minus equation 2. So equation 2 is here. So we've got 12x minus 3x gave us the 9x, and 3y minus the 3y gave us 0, and the 33 minus the 15 gave us the 18. So then we knew that x equaled 2, which is correct, that x value is 2. Then we went substitute x equals 2 into equation 1 or 2, it doesn't matter, but let's do equation 1. And so then we've got 4. We're using this equation, so 4 times 2 is 8, plus y equals 11, so y equals 3, which is there. So that's done in less than 2 minutes.